Of birds. Okay, we have the bird, Pippa, over here. That's Pippa. And that's Pippa. And there's Petey behind me. Hi, Petey. Petey. Hi, Petey. 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 Okay. So Pippa and Petey they're the same kind of birds. See, they're African Greys. They're even the same size. And yeah, Petey talks. Petey, can you talk for us? Petey, are you hungry? Yeah, you're moving your mouth. Can you talk? Pete? Petey. That's Pippa. Gives a kiss. Petey. Thank you, Petey. Ooh, that's loud. That's loud. That's loud in my ear. Okay, Petey. Want to step up? Step up. Come on. Thank you. There's Petey. Now we have Petey. Now you guys be nice to each other. Don't fight. No, you're being mean. Don't be mean. Who's Petey and who's Pippa? I can't even tell them apart sometimes. This is Pippa. Okay, sorry. This is Pippa and this is Petey. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I had a mistake. See, they look so similar. So this is Pippa and this is Petey. That's what it is. Okay. So are you guys going to be friendly now? Gonna be friendly? You want to give a kiss? You want to give a kiss? Oh, you're looking a little aggressive there. Okay. Petey gives me a kiss. Yeah, Petey, can you say anything? What can you say, Pippa? What can you say? Huh? Can you say, I'm a guest, a house guest here. My name is Pippa Broughton. Go ahead, you can talk. It's pretty cool because these African Greys, hey. No fighting. No fighting. No fighting. No. You have to be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Huh? I know you're both nice birds. I know you are. Give me a kiss. You give me a kiss. Petey's being nice. Pippa, can you be nice? You can be nice. I think they're just sort of like possessive. They both want to be the only bird. So that's what it is, huh? Is that what it is? You just want to be the only bird? Yeah. She wants to be the only bird. Petey, can you talk for us? Can you say something? What can you say? You say, hello. What's going on? Yeah. Pippa, what can you say? Can you say anything? Can you say, what the heck? Can you say, what the heck? Look, well, their similarity physically is amazing. No aggression. No, we don't want to be mean. Okay? Thank you. Their similarity is great in their appearance. As I said for a minute there, I mistook one for the other one. Can you kiss? Can you kiss? Pip, can you kiss? Can you give me a kiss? Come on, Pippa. Give me a kiss. No? Okay. Pippa's being like, see, the one bird's up higher. This is Petey. He's up higher, and he's like being the dominant bird. And Pippa's down lower, and she's like, I want to be the dominant bird. See? They like the height. Height is a big deal for them. See? Now Pippa's on top. See? She's now the dominant bird. Ooh, that's my ear. Hey, guys. Let's not be mean. Okay? No, that's okay. Be nice. That's good. Kisses are good. But no fighting. No fighting. Petey, you're being a good boy. Petey's being very nice. Pippa, you're being a little bit aggressive. A little bit aggressive. So, see if you can be nice to each other. They sort of kiss, but they're not quite. See, it's sort of like, see, Petey's saying, oh, I'll give you a little kiss. They even stick their tongues out like a little French kiss, but then they get a little bit aggressive too. See? Careful. Petey's like, why, Pippa? Don't you want to be nice to me? want to be nice to me? Pippa's like, no, I'm the big bird. See? And scary birds. They both fly. They're full feathered, so they can fly away. So they're not like in danger from hurting each other, right? And Petey over here. Petey over here. That's Petey. He's being curious and nice, and Pippa up here is being a little bit mean. A little bit. Pippa. Pippa. What's going on? Be nice. Be nice, Pippa. Not much to see here. These guys are just sort of having a little standoff. Are you having a standoff, Petey? What is up with this girl, huh? Where Petey's going, stepping down. It's like, I don't want this trouble. Yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You are. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Can you say anything for the people on this video? Can you say, good morning, night, night? Can you say anything? Can you say, I'm hungry? Petey likes to say hungry. That's his signature word. Oops, now he's... Where are you going, Pete? Where are you going? Where are you going? Petey. Petey's on my computer. I don't want him to poop on my computer. Kiss. Kiss. Nice. Nice. So get them both in the view there. See how much they look alike. I mean, they have very, very subtle differences, but their size, their physical size, their eyes, their color, I mean, it's so, so very similar. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. They make me feel like St. Francis of Assisi. The little birds. Hello. That's good. You said hello. How are you? Hello to you too. Hello, Petey. Hello. Hello. What can you say, Pippa? Can you say anything? Pippa likes to sit on your head. She's a head sitter. Petey's like a shoulder sitter. Petey. 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 Ah, Petey. Hi, Petey. Where you going, Pete? Just getting over there. Petey's moved out of the camera view. Pippa. Pippa, step up. Here. No bitey. Come on, step up. Good girl. Now, Pippa's down here in the camera view. See? It's hard to very hard to tell the difference, huh? You're a movie star. What can you say for yourself? Want me to scratch your head? You scratch your head? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Nobody. 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 I'm not gonna hurt you. There we go. Good girl. She's very soft feathers. Very soft feathers. Now she wants to climb back on my head. I'm shocked. Come on, Pippi. Come here. Come up. Come up. Thank you. A kiss? Yeah, Petey says, I'll give you a kiss. And Pippi. Pippa. That's Petey over on the side. Pippa, what can you say? Can you kiss? Petey, we gotta teach Pippa to talk. Gotta teach her to talk while she's visiting with us. Right? You wanna talk? Yeah. And now we got two of them walking around on the desk here. Here, Pete, step up. Okay. There we go. That's Petey and Peppa. Petey and Peppa. Peppa, you want to stand on this side? Here. There you go. You can climb up there. Now, Petey. It's okay. Nah. Why does she always want to go up there, huh? What is the deal?